this video, we will discuss about Daflon 500 mg tablet. We will discuss vital elements like why it is used, how it works, its consumption and the side effects. Let me tell you a brief of the medicine before starting the theory. Daflon 500 mg tablet is used in the treatment of acute or chronic hemorrhoids and varicose veins and lymphedema. It improves blood flow in the veins and restores its function. Daflon 500 mg tablet salt composition is Diosmin 500 mg and the MRP of the medicine is around 138 rupees per strip. Daflon 500 mg tablet is usually used to treat varicose veins, piles and lymphedema. Daflon 500 mg tablet is a flavonoid. It works by blocking the action of chemical messengers such as prostaglandins, thromboxane A2 that causes inflammation of the veins. And this improves blood flow in the veins and restores the normal vein function. Some of the common side effects of this medicine are abdominal pain, diarrhea, headache, and nausea. Daflon 500 mg tablet may be taken with or without food, but it is better to take it at a fixed time. Take this medicine in dose and duration as advised by your doctor. Swallow it as a whole, do not chew, crush, or break it.
Please do not take this medication without consulting your doctor or physician. Health9 doesn't suggest or recommend this medicine. This video is purely for informational purposes only.